Good morning and welcome to Super Secret Saturdays. Today we're going to review the set 71383 Wiggler's Poison Swamp from the Super Mario film. Released in 2021, it has 3 characters. You will need a starter set to be able to play this game. The starter set includes a figure, a start pool, and an end pool, such as these ones. So this is the start pipe, and this is the gold pool to end the game. I'm going to set them up. We're going to go through a small tutorial, and then we'll play the game. Alright, so in this level, every time you step on a purple tile, you get poisoned. Then you need to get away to remove the poisoning. If you get poisoned too much, you're going to lose your coins. The first gimmick of the game is to wriggle the Wiggler like this. Let me set up the camera up, so you can see the action. It's not quite easy. Okay, right. So by wriggling the Wiggler, we're going to try to hit there, and this is going to unfold a bridge. There we go. Then, up, we can cross, defeat the Goomba. Go there, there's a raft. The raft is going to allow us to reach a star. And to reach the next enemy, which is a Super Paratrooper. We just have to see that there's a tile at the back. You just need to defeat it like this. Alright. So that's it for the tutorial. Now we're gonna try to go through a run. Okay, let's set up everything. Ready, set. So we're going to start with the start pipe. Once we get there, we have 60 seconds to complete the level, and the purpose is to reach the gold pool right there and to gain as many coins as we can. Let's go. Up. Up. Jump. Defeat the level. Up. And reach the gold pool. How many coins did we get?
It's Luigi time.
34 coins. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you did. I release a new video every Wednesday and sometimes on Saturdays, just like this one. So if you want to see more videos, click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.